Habari ndugu. Uko salama kabisa.
Niko na speed ya ngapi?
Hii inafika.
Wewe ni kifo wewe.
Lazima ukue chanjo.
Cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do.
Hadi. Anda kwa Oyaya.
It's an old place, huh? Old building.
Good morning, good people. Today's video is still a garage video, rather having some service. My bike has really been going through some major services, and today I will be doing fork service. So I'm having these seals installed on the bike, or rather I'll be getting my forks serviced. So yeah, the symbol is just that. 2 seals, Ari is the brand, and then I'll be doing this oil. So these are 10W, it's medium weight. I love Motul products because you are sure bet that they are the best, and the reason why I went for 10W, one is because it is the recommended weight for my forks, and secondly I want something that can manage off-road and on-road, being that this is the medium. There is the hard ones which go, is the hard oil which goes for, that is 15W. The forks will be a bit hard, and then we have 5W. 5W is very soft, so if you are a very off-road person, then you may want that very soft damping. And so for me, because I'm doing medium, then, or rather dual sport, then this will work perfectly for me. I'm at Oyaya's garage. The only customer today, because I booked him specifically just for him to do this, being that today was his off day. No works ongoing, but then we'll be working with him. Let's see this how this goes. More a lot of do-it-yourself and stuff, and also for him just to advise on a few things about bike maintenance and all that. Alafu nataka uniangalie hizi forks zangu. Kuna time nimejifanyia service na si kitambo, so siko sure ni mimi niliweka oil mingi ama kidogo ikalika haraka ama zimebend.
Stand yako pia ni loose.
Nini hiyo?
Your stand.
Center stand ama hii side?
Center stand. Side side.
Oh. So this is what we have currently. You can see my forks have been leaking. If you come to the other side, the same thing, really leaking. You can see it's oil here.
No, not yet. I've only been in Kenya for like 3-4 days. Oh, I'm new, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the designs. Okay. You're selling the house? Yeah? Oh, the African hats, the Kenyan hats. I don't want them super hats. What do they wear? Kenyan style, to protect me from the sun. Let's see. Something like this. For the sun, you know? Something like something. This one? This one? 2,000. And you said this is like the African style. Yeah, this one. African attire. Yeah, exactly. What? Just white. Oh, white one is very nice. You know my friend? Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. What's this? Potato. Is it local? That's quite good. Yeah. You sell water too, right? Okay. That's all right. This one. Yeah, just the potato. Yeah. Like that's fine. Yeah. How do I do it with my hands? Like this, huh? With the hands. Okay. I took it, yeah. You need a toothpick? You got a haircut. Need some cuts, of course. How are you, man? I already had that. Bro. Oh, I'm so full, man. Huh? So, come here. I want to go to the Nyali Bridge. Okay, okay. This is a popular beach, huh? Yeah. But there is another beach, like this one called the Nyali Beach. The Nyali Beach? Yeah. Which one is the most popular? The one. It's a brilliant. That's why John's Arco is still on the front row of the grid, which is a phenomenal, absolutely sensational performance. And that looks like there's Arco will remain checkered flag is out for everybody. Gian Antonio takes 6th place. It's the Marquez show once again though here in turn lap 3 of Hondo qualifying. Marc Marquez takes it with a new all-time lap record. The first ever 1:36 lap around Turnmaster Rail Hondo. Just as he was a couple of weeks ago, Alex Marquez takes 2nd place. Back-to-back poles to Marc Marquez for the first time in 6 years. Going all the way back to Austrian and British Grand Prix. Superb by Marc Marquez. Absolutely wonderful performance as well by Johan Zarco. A Honda, after all their recent troubles, all their recent woes, a Honda on the front right of the grid here in Argentina.
The best qualifying Honda since Marc Marquez at Mugello in 2023. That puts you into some sort of context as to what.
As you can understand, Lucho, what a performance from Johan. You mentioned the word podium yesterday. He mentioned the word podium yesterday.
Some alive like of the tunnel, and we are very pleased to be let's say, to be able to make it hopefully this is a very good sign, and let's see tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks very much, Jack. Thanks to all your Honda boss. Brilliant performance there by Johan Zarco. Confirmation what we told you, best qualifying performance by Honda rider since Marc Marquez at the Italian. These have been some of the darkest and toughest times for HRC in recent years. Of course, losing their superstar talent, Marc Marquez, the RC213 Vias, been blown away by the improving European manufacturing career and ATM. But Johan Zarco, Lucho has mentioned, there's more than a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. Muthaiga Bagnaia looks up at these tiny screens inside the factory. Not like what he sees. Just once again, he's been pretty comprehensively outperformed by both Marc Marquez and Alex Marquez. This was late on a mistake in turn 5. That can happen when you're pushing so hard and you need a lap time when the pressure is building. Mistakes can creep in. Mistake 3. 4th place, though, it's not exactly a disaster, is it? That thought Thika, but he would like to be on the road. So he won't be wanting to get stuck too long behind Johan Zarco if he hasn't got the pace to go with the Marquez brothers. Another Saturday then in 24 once again, Marc and Alex Marquez. Some performance. We said yesterday, feels like there was a 136 out there, and he was the only rider that was able to find it. Of his brother Alex, and I'm sure he's just looking at him. He's got a smile there, but he's probably just thinking, for crying out loud, can't you just let us have something? Another great day. It was Alex Marquez who led the way this morning in FP2. I don't think we're really back his broke.
To look towards the century on 3 poles across all classes for Marc Marquez, running pole number 96 now across all classes and does just with a rare confidence. So it's Alex Marquez. Congratulations, former team manager of Kawasaki Versys, the LCR before he made the switch over to Mercedes. I think anyone in this planet will embrace the smile on each and checking out his face. Some very, very happy marks.
Colors. Oh, just pay.
20-year-old fifth place on the grid. He said there, like he felt like the new soft with a more front, he was just trying to push the front and a few front end washouts. For Acosta already so far this season. Alex Marquez, the fastest in FP2 this morning. Second on the grid once again. Here in
So unasema zote zimebend kwa hii tube ya ndani.
Because haifai kutoka na nguvu.
Go on that way, so you're happy with that, and talking about you.
Yeah, brilliant performance that by the 28-year-old Spaniard. 91st MotoGP start this weekend for Alex Marquez. Not terrific front row start, that's only his 7th front row in those 91 Grand Prix. Some start is speaking to 2025 for Alex on the Brazilian Ducati. Positioning for pole position now here in turn match 3 along there are 6 pole and 7 attempts here in Argentina. Racing in front of the South American fans. This is what Marquez in full flow at his best.
Well, the awards, but the same contest, but actually you get in the sort of Grand Prix, so Marquez is 50 out of 50 career of Alex Marquez. Someone who
So Marquez has delivered plenty of historic lap times in his veteran career. When he gets another one to reflection, the first 1:36 lap here in turn match 3. He's maintained his 107 pole record so far in 2021. Big favourite for the sprint this afternoon. Join us at 3 p.m. the local time for sprint action over 12 laps. Marquez on pole.
So I think a while back I talked about changing my forks, or rather doing service on my forks. And one of the things that I've come to a conclusion is that I have leaking tubes, and the reason why they are always leaking is because the tubes are a bit bent. And so I got this device, which is Oyaya's. I would like to measure the diameter so that I can go and look for a replacement. nitolee. But hiyo kubent iko kwa hii tube ya nje ama ya ndani?
Tena kwa moku jiko kwa nje. Itasumbua kurudisha.
Kuna venye inaweza straighteniwa? Kuna wengine. Hiyo ni kama uiamini.
Inakuwa na direction.
Oh.
Lazima confirm direction.
Oh, mtu anaangaliaje? Sijaijua hiyo.
Tunaangalia tu direction ya scratch vile imeenda kiingia.
Hebu nieleze ni yani.
Siwezi kueleza. Ni kuangalia tu grain. So hizi makala. There's a way you see the way the grain is flowing. Mtojua vile ilikuwa. So like it time ndio rahisi. You change direction utagonga hapo uchoke.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, those are arts. Things are taught in school.
Mama sana. So inaweza changia pia kuleak ukiweka vibaya.
Kwetu, you know the things as they wear out they make their own. They make it in a way. So you need to return it the way it was. Don't start a new wearing out.
Nimekuelewa sasa.
Najua ina ndogo kushinda zote. Ndio ingi rahisi.
Sasa hiyo kwa hiyo sio mnafunza ujanja nyingine siku najua. Ninaweka hapo si ndani ya tube nyingine.
Unafunga kwa ina tube. Valve ziko kwa ina tube. Hata tube ni guide tu. So you can make sure as much as possible get into the inner tube. If the engine request to na kazi mzuri. Just clean the shock and replace it.
Au kuna ongeza yenye ulikuwa unasema utaongeza?
Unajua sisi tunaishanga kabisa wewe. Kwa hiyo ina tube. Sasa nikitoa bali kinamaliza. Kim. Kama weke. Kesho nimeenda kipanda.
Yenye nasikianga sijui utoe hewa ukiweka oil. Hiyo nayo ni nini?
Go happy. This is a question why that hewa wanasema.
Sawa.
Angalia.
What a day. We are done with most of the works. Now it's just closing up things and I leave, putting back the tire, wiping out anything, oil traces and all that, and just checking nuts and bolts are okay. Yeah, and I'm good to go. Now, you'll ask me, I usually visit different mechanics for different reasons, and one of the main reasons is because of different expertise. I know different mechs will teach me different things, and so that's why I visit different mechs based on their expertise and also the knowledge that I'll gain out of them. Oyaya has been known as one of the veteran mechanics, especially for super bikes and generally the big bikes, the big CC bikes. And so coming here, just having an experience of learning one or two things, totally different experience, and that's the essence of having different mechs and learning from different people. And so I'm really grateful. You've seen he's mentoring a young guy who's from what I see, learning very fast. Since the last time I was here, because he wasn't here, and I'm assuming that good things will have come out of it. Now it's to close up, gear up and leave, get my bill definitely, and then we go out and see how it looks like. Been fantastic, learning a few things about forks and the suspension stuff, learning about tension and all that, and I hope you also had an opportunity to learn something or two from the few questions that I was asking. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do. This is your opportunity to join the community, get my alerts whenever I post a new video. See you next time. Cheers.